welcome back to ApparelWin channel. I'm your old friend Icy, and today we came to our sportswear production line and just want to show you guys the whole process the sportswear are made. Here is the first floor and we have the second floor, and here we have the sewing, quality checking, and packaging and ironing area. And in the second floor we have sampling, cutting, and fabric pre-shrunk area. So let's go check it out how it looks like. Alright guys, I have a colleague here, so he's responsible for the whole factory. So he will introduce you guys more information about the sample room.
Hello, my name is Andy. 非常欢迎你们来参观我们的板房。对，然后可以。
我们进去看一下有什么。
好。这也就是我们最核心的一个部门，它有设计研发能力啊，然后打板啊都在这里。
这里都是一些样衣是吗？
对，这里都是我们打的一些款式，我们每个月可以出80个款的大码的款式，然后标码的款式我们还没有统计。综合来说，我们每个月能出100个款式这样子，然后可以参观一下。我们这里有标码的款式，都是非常标准的一个标准码数。对。
So if you are not sure about your sizes, it's okay. We can give you guys a recommendation.
对，然后这边也有一些大码的款式，是不同尺寸的一个 size 的一个大码，我们都具备这一个开发能力的。这里就是板房的一个跟单人员总负责人梅姐 ，Hello， 然后2位板师，然后设计的话是我这边出了设计稿，然后客人选了之后呢，我们就会给跟单小姐姐她去排单，然后给到师傅，然后他备面料，备完面料之后，师傅就做纸样，然后纸样就是从这台机子打出来的。OK， 然后打完纸样的话呢，就会有另外一个师傅在这里裁布，裁完布之后就可以很快速的在这里生产。然后我们一般一个款式3天就可以出一个样衣，我们是自己调完套到这个标准的人台上调整完没有问题了，我们才会发给客户给你们的。
So we can finish a sample in 3 days. After we confirm your sample, we will start bulk production. The first step will be the fabric pre-shrink. Pre-shrinking before cutting is treating a fabric with water and steam successively in order to shrink the fibers and stabilize their dimensions. Next step is fabric cutting. To cut many garments simultaneously, fabrics will be spread in layers one over on a long table. Then cutting the fabrics as per the shape of the pattern. After the pieces are cut, individual pieces are bundled together to be sent for sewing. So here is the most important part, and it's the 4-needle 6-thread. Some of the yoga clothes we buy are made with 4 needles and 6 threads, and some are made on the flat machine or edge machine. 4 needles and 6 threads has the advantages of being beautiful, straight, and seamless. Using 4-needle and 6-thread technology to make relatively thick clothing will not produce bumps. The lines are beautiful and smooth. It feels more comfortable to wear, and the stitches won't easily run off. From pattern to product, each step of the process is executed, and that of course includes quality control with our detailed quality control inspections. You will be happy to know that all of your products will meet the standards of quality measurements and any other specifications relevant to your garment. After all standards have been met, your products will be packaged, labeled, and shipped up. Your product is waiting to be created right here at ApparelWin. As a clothing manufacturer, we believe it's important to learn as much as possible about the people behind the clothes we make, knowing that your clothes made by those people who are working in a happy, healthy environment and being paid a solid living wage. As you can see, everybody is so happy to work here and passionate for their work.